Are you tired of installing Windows 10 on your PC and seeing this? Only to figure out that you have to pay this to get rid of it? Well, our sponsor URCDKEY has you covered. URCDKEY has tons of discounted keys for games and software for PC and consoles. They even bundle your favorite OS with software like this bundle for Windows 10 Pro with Office 2016 Pro Plus at a fraction of the price it would cost you at a retail store. And if that isn't enough, you can also use my promo code RAV20 to receive an additional 20% off your purchase, bringing the price of Windows 10 Pro OEM from $15 to just $12. Activating their codes is as easy as installing Windows 10, heading to the activation page in settings, entering your code, and bam, you have an activated Windows 10 license. I use their keys in my own builds and I cannot recommend them enough. Check the links in the video description to learn more. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in this one, we'll be doing part 2 of our Crosstour CT8500 action camera review. So last video, we went over what you get in the box and all the specifications of the camera. And if you haven't seen that video, click up here. So let's go ahead and kick this thing off with some video footage tests. So for every one of these tests, I pretty much just left everything on auto. I didn't really mess with it because I feel like the people that are going to be using a camera like this, a camera this cheap really, will not be tweaking very many settings just for the lack of knowledge and also not even knowing where to do it to try to get some kind of like pro level result, if that's even possible with a camera at this price point. And I'm going to show you guys a short clip of each resolution that you're able to shoot at with the different frame rates that are available as well.
Okay, so we're outside with Alex and my dogs, and we're going to go ahead and just give this a little short video test to see what this looks like. And as far as the video quality and all that kind of stuff, I just left it as the default so you guys can see what it looks like right out of the box. But this is at 4K 30 right now, and the electronic image stabilization is off because it doesn't work with 4K, but here's my little puppy right here. Ella, come here. Ella, come here. Okay, so now this is 2.7K at 30 FPS, and this is with the electronic image stabilization on. And let's go ahead and just do a regular walk again so I can show you guys what it looks like. I'm not really trying to hold it or anything like that. Here's my dog Maverick right here. Good boy. Here, get the ball, buddy. Ready? Ready? Look what she found. Come here, little girl. She found a big baseball that's probably bigger than her head. Here, buddy. Go get it. Alright, so here's 1080p at 60, and obviously for the rest of these I'm going to leave the image stabilization on as long as it works. So let's go ahead and walk right over to Maverick here. There he goes for another ball. There's Alex again. And my little puppy. There she is. Come here. There she is. Come here. Now here's 1080p at 30. As you can see, a little bit more choppy because, less frames. And you can see what this looks like right here. Probably kind of like the 4K, but not as sharp, hopefully. See Alex again, there she is. Here's 720p at 120 frames a second, so I can show you guys the super slow mode I have. There she is, look, come here.
So now that we've covered video, how about the photo quality? Well, I was able to get my dogs to sit still for just long enough, it's very hard to do, trust me, just long enough to snap a quick photo at 20 megapixels. As I said, I'm only going to do it at 20 because it's the highest you can do. And to my surprise, it's really not that bad. And honestly, with a little quick edit, it actually looks even better. Well, how about audio? So as you heard in those test clips that I showed you a bit ago, that was basically what you can expect for audio with this little cage right here, the external cage. Now next, here's a clip of the audio with this waterproof case on it so you guys can hear what that sounds like. Now, as you can hear, or not hear rather, with the waterproof case on, the audio is severely hindered when you're talking, but it does still pick up all of like the surrounding noise, say like if you're in a pool like I was. And also that clips show that the waterproof case, it actually works perfectly. No leaks or anything weird that I can report, so good on you guys. Sticking with audio, they actually include a lav mic so that you can actually insert it into the side of the camera, and then it can be clipped on your shirt or whatever you're wearing, so you can actually record using that external mic source instead of the on-camera sound. And now, since we're gonna set up the camera right in front of me here, let's go ahead and connect the wireless remote right here to see if we're able to take a photo or start this video, and then we can actually test the lav mic's audio as well. Here is the wireless remote. And just so you guys know, this wireless remote is awesome. It like automatically connects to the camera as long as the Wi-Fi is on. And actually, I don't even know if it requires the Wi-Fi, because even if it's off, it still works. And it works right out of the package too. I didn't even have to turn anything on. The buttons, they just like, you can see, let's see if you can, on this camera, see if you guys can see this. They automatically just light up. Like, so no matter what, it works. So that's pretty cool they do that. So let's go ahead and turn our camera on real quick. First, we're gonna press the picture button right here. So that just snapped a picture of me, as you guys heard. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and press record on this wireless remote right here. So we'll give it a second. We should be recording. I'm hoping we are. So if we are recording, let's go ahead and do test, 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 1, 2, 3. Test, 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 1, 2, 3. This is me recording the CT8500's wired audio through their lav mic, and testing it to show you guys what the audio sounds like. So there you go. Okay, so another cool thing about this camera that we can do, obviously, is the Wi-Fi connection app. Okay, so now that we have the app downloaded, let's go ahead and open it real quick and turn on the camera and Wi-Fi. So camera is on. Okay, turn the Wi-Fi on here. Here we go, looks like we got something here. Okay, so now as you can see, there's my camera over there. Oh, let's actually make sure we can focus our phone right here. There you go. There's my camera in front of us right there. And there's my light and all that. So there you go, it actually works. I mean, so it lags a little bit, but right now it looks like it works just fine. And then it looks like you do have a movie option to start you know, take videos. And then you also have the photo option. So yeah, we can move it around and then take a photo of what we're looking at right here. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty simple. Can we do settings? We can actually, we can format our card. We can set the exposure value and white balance through this. So that's really all you got. And then you can go to whatever, you know, you took, and then it's got a little gallery right there. But that's pretty much it, guys. So that's the app, and that's how you connect it. Okay, so last but not least, let's talk about battery life. So since they do include 2 of these batteries right here, they get a plus for me already, because you don't normally see that with cameras at all. You do normally always just get 1. And on a single battery, the camera can run for 90 minutes or an hour and a half until you get a dead battery, which then takes 3 hours to fully recharge. So that kind of sucks. And now, is this figure for continuous 4K recording? Probably not. They do give you the option, though, to plug in an external battery pack, so you can extend the battery life even further. So that's actually pretty cool. But either way, I didn't have an issue with the battery life while making this video. So that's pretty cool, and I feel like it's at least okay. All right, conclusion time. So who is this camera for, and should you buy it? Well, to be super honest, I've been shooting with higher quality cameras for long enough now that I can definitely tell the difference in the quality of like the 4 camera of this Crosstour camera than say like my GoPro Hero 7 Black. So this camera makes the barrier to entry super low and gives people with not a lot to spend an option instead of having to shell out hundreds for like the newest GoPro that comes out pretty much every year. So if you're that person, then this camera right here may just be for you. So that's going to be it for this one, you guys. Of course, as always, I'll have the product linked in the description down below. And I hope you guys really did enjoy the review. And if you did, Be sure to hit that like button for me. I do love seeing you guys do that. It's pretty awesome. I love seeing all those likes. And if you have any questions about this camera, or to be honest, any camera in general, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. I also love answering your guys' questions and helping you guys out. And if you really do enjoy my content and want to see more, be sure to get subscribed and turn those notifications on so you can be the first to know when I start a new stream or put out a new video. You guys have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.